Now, see another example where we have to use Lenz's law to decide the direction of the induced current. There is a current carrying conductor. Current is increasing from A to B. That means I is increasing from A to B. When I is increasing A to B, magnetic field this side is here. If you just look into inside the loop, is here outward, and that is increasing in the outward direction. So, the flux through this loop is increasing, but increase in flux due to the increase in magnetic field that is out of the plane of the board here. Now, so the current will be induced in such a way which will oppose this increase in magnetic flux according to Lenz's law. So, obviously, the direction of the current should be here and clockwise. If the direction of current is here in this clockwise, so the magnetic field due to induced current will be into the plane or inward to the plane, which is opposite to the magnetic field where it is increasing due to the wire AB. So, the direction in this loop is here clockwise. So, here we have used again here the Lenz's law to find the direction of induced current.